Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk to. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk to. Yeah, last year I kept it on the tuck, ayy. 2020, I came to fuck it up, yeah. I want a long life, a legendary one. I want a quick death, and an easy one. I want a pretty girl, and an honest one. I want this drink, and another one, yeah. And I'm troublesome, yeah. I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubblegum, yeah. You would probably think my manager is Scooter Braun, yeah. But my manager was 20 hoes and Budokan, yeah. Hey, look, Ariana, Selena, my visa. It can take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my releases, my girl. Niggas come for me, I tear them all to pieces, my girl. I'ma show your sexy ass what relief is, my girl. Please don't take no shit that's like that, how you geeking. And I'm not driving nothing that I gotta stick with keys in. Wonder how I got this way, I swear I got the bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Watch her, said she rep a whole different block, so I blocked her. Busy at the crib, cooking salmon with the lobster. If we talking joints, it's just me and David Foster. Bodyguards don't look like Kevin Costner, you tweaking. Just pulled up to Whitney, Houston, Texas for the evening. They tell the same story so much they start to believe it. The ones that start like Drizzy shit was cool, but we even. Man, how the fuck? 2, 4, 6, 8 watches factory so they appreciate. Crown in my hand and I'm really playing keep away. Shit don't even usually get this big without a beaver face. Nah, piece of cake. Nah, Turks and cake. Yeah. Go and get your friends, we can sneak away. Yeah, I keep her like I keep the faith. Wonder how I got this way.
On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, hitting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. I'm stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, bitch I'm paid, that's all I gotta say. Can't see you little niggas, the money in the way, and I'm sitting high against the ride blaze. And if you ain't gon' ride fly, then you might as well hate. Shit, I gotta eat, yeah, even though I ain't know it ain't my birthday, but I got my name on that cake. Shit, believe that, and if the mans won't play, and I'ma fuck around and put the ball braids on the gate. Hey, pick them up, pop them, let them lay. Where I'm from, we see a fucking dead body every day. Yeah, up and down, throwing stack at them, make a song about me. I'm throwing shots back at them. Bitch, I'm a pipe, she like a crack addict. And she saw me cooking eggs, she thought I was back at it. Yeah, I grabbed my keys, I gotta go. Got my motorcycle jacket and my motorcycle low. On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, hitting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, I'm stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yo, they.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Welcome back to another video. Today you guys, I did a review for Reshine Hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous 30-inch 13x4 lace front unit. This is a curly unit. I absolutely love this. Look how long and beautiful it is. Y'all know I love me a good long 30-inch unit. Today's look was very simple. These are the edges. I really like the lace on this unit, and I worked with Reshine earlier this year, and they have my favorite hair. The hair that I wore in Miami, that vlog, yeah, that hair was from Reshine Hair. They have really good curly hair. This is a lace front though. The other one that I reviewed from them was a closure. This is the full density of the hair. It's 250% density. It's very full and thick, which I absolutely love. The only con that I really have with this unit today is just the parting space, like you guys saw just a second ago. The parting space is very minimal on the sides, but other than that, it's a really pretty unit, and I bet you're gonna get a lot of compliments in this hair. People are gonna be asking you, where'd you get your hair from? Where'd you get your hair from? Because that's all I heard when I was wearing this hair. So if you guys are interested, the link for this unit will be down below, along with all the details to this hair. Shout out to Reshine Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for just stopping by to watch and support me. No matter what, you guys always come through and support your girl, so I really appreciate that, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.